Hey GlamFam, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to try some art. So there is a space at work that needs a little bit of sprucing up. So I went out and I bought canvas, and we are going to start by painting the canvas. After we paint the canvas, we're going to be using for this project Mod Podge, broken glass, and glitter that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. So because I'm going to be using the broken glass, I did put a glove on one hand, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the Mod Podge. I'm going to put the Mod Podge on here because the Mod Podge is basically glue. It's going to dry clear, and then I'm just going to put the broken glasses, the pieces on here, and let them fall wherever they may. I don't know what I'm doing. We're just eyeballing, doing something here just because the space needs something on the wall, and I am not trying to go out and buy something, but I do want it to look okay-ish. So I'm using my glue gun to add little itty-bitty designs, kind of like trees. I don't know, they're kind of like trees, but yeah, I'm using the glue gun to create that. So you and I alike. I'm not sure how this is going to turn out, but we're working it. Okay. So I'm adding glitter here, hoping that the glitter will see through. But after it dried, I was like, but I needed to paint the glass. So I went in Zone's little box and I found paint. And so I'm going to be painting the broken pieces. The glitter did not come through as I wanted, so this is the second one. I did most of it off camera, so I'm going to be adding the paint to the broken glass of this one as well. And then we're just gonna go in and paint what the glue sticks, the design made by the glue sticks. I'm also gonna add some paint at the very top of the canvas as well. Because we're freestyling, anything goes, I'm just gonna be adding the Mod Podge here to the roots of what look like trees. And then we're gonna also put glitter inside. All right, so I'm putting Mod Podge like in a circle at the top of the trees, and then I'm gonna use the stick that I've been using to kind of make it look like either a palm tree or coconut tree, if you will. And all I'm doing is just spreading it out, and then after I'm done spreading it out, I am going to be just putting some glitter at the top. It will also dry clear, so those streaks that go out from the tree will look like glitter when it's dried. All right, so I left these on here overnight, and then I just shook off the glue, well, the glitter, took the glitter off, and that's what it's looking like so far. All right, this is the space which we're gonna put it on. I also spray painted that painting. That's what it looks like, but then it still looked blah or too bland. So I'm gonna be adding glitter all over. So I'm using the Mod Podge again, and now I'm just gonna be dabbing this all over, and then I'm gonna be putting glitter on here, and then it's gonna be whatever from here. So it will go on the wall and yeah, make it look pretty. So I'm gonna be adding this glitter. I'm dabbing on the Mod Podge, and then I'm just going to sprinkle the glitter all over, and then it will dry nice and clear. All right, so now we're adding the glitter, and after we're done adding the glitter, this is what it's going to look like. So this is just a quick fix to a wall that I see every single day when I'm at work.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.